So,
Yes.
rate of change of velocity.
Very good. Acceleration. Here. Now, write down the definition of acceleration. Prince, Priyanka, and Rituraj.
Yes, sir.
Acceleration is rate of change of velocity. Rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. We can say it is a change in velocity upon time taken. Change in velocity upon time taken. This is there. Change in velocity upon time taken. Write down. Or I can say change in velocity matlab final velocity minus initial velocity. Final velocity minus initial velocity. Initial velocity divided by time taken. Final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time taken. So dear children, I can say if u is the initial velocity, in the beginning, say at the time t is equal to 0. U is the initial velocity, V is the final velocity. V is the final velocity, U is the initial velocity, V is the final velocity. So I can time is t. So I can write here acceleration is equal to final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time. V minus u by t. So dear children, what is the unit of acceleration? The unit of velocity is meter per
Meter per
second
second square.
divided by second. So meter per second square. Meter per second square, it is the unit of acceleration. Meter per second square, it is the unit of acceleration. लिख लो. The unit of acceleration and formula for the acceleration, that is v minus u by t. Yes. So dear children, write down here. Unit of acceleration is meter per second square. Acceleration is a vector quantity. Acceleration is a vector quantity. Acceleration is a vector quantity, or I can say when a body is moving in a straight line, suppose for example, when a body is moving along a straight line like this, suppose the change in velocity, initial velocity is u and the final velocity is v. Velocity increases. The change in velocity, that is v minus u. If the final velocity increases, so acceleration here I can say positive acceleration. I can say here when a body is moving along a straight line, V increases, V minus U is positive. V minus U is equal to positive. So such an acceleration is called positive acceleration. When the final velocity increases, then I can say positive acceleration. See your pen, just you off the pen, धीरे धीरे पेन रुक जाता है. If the initial velocity is u and final velocity is v is less than to that of u. If suppose when the velocity of the body decreases, final velocity v is less than to that of u. V is our final velocity. Then acceleration v minus u by t is negative. When the final velocity decreases, कार के ब्रेक लगाते हैं हम. When you brake on a car, after some time it stops. So I can say v minus u by t. It is negative. This negative acceleration is retardation. The negative acceleration is called retardation. Okay? लिख लिया बच्चों?
Yes, sir.
Write down. The negative acceleration is a retardation. So here we saw three types of acceleration. Positive acceleration when velocity increases. Negative acceleration when velocity decreases. Third acceleration when there is no change in the velocity. I can say when a body is moving along a straight line, when a body is moving along a straight line with a uniform velocity, body is moving along a straight line with a uniform velocity. Change in velocity is zero. Change in velocity अगर हमारे पास जीरो है, change in velocity is equal to zero, so acceleration becomes zero. V minus u by t, that is zero. Here, if there is no change in velocity, we can say uniform velocity is there. हम एक निश्चित वेलोसिटी से कार को चला रहे हैं. We are not changing anyone. So I can say, my dear children, zero acceleration. Then now, again, acceleration are of two types. Uniform acceleration and non-uniform acceleration. Uniform acceleration and non-uniform acceleration. This is there. क्या होगा? The uniform acceleration, when velocity of the body moving along a straight line changes equal amounts in equal interval of time. Equal amounts in equal interval of time. Velocity changes equal amounts in equal interval of time. That type of acceleration is called uniform acceleration. Write down again. When velocity of the body moving, when the velocity of the body moving along a straight line, changes in equal amounts in equal interval of time. Motion of a body falling freely under the action of gravity here. See this example here. When the body falling freely under the action of gravity, such type of acceleration is called uniform acceleration. Such type of acceleration, लिख लो example. Write down the example here. When the body falling freely under the action of gravity. Give you any one more example from your side. Anyone can give the example. Example of uniform acceleration. Anybody wants to give?
Sir, waterfall.
Yes, very good. Under the action of gravity, same. Body rolls down under an inclined plane also. If you are having an inclined plane, you are coming from inclined plane, that is also uniform acceleration. Then the second one is non-uniform acceleration. When the velocity of the body changes in non-uniform rate, when the body is in non-uniform rate, changes by unequal amounts, changes in unequal amounts in equal interval of time. In equal interval of time. In equal interval of time. लिख लिया? See that? इसको बच्चों हम वेरिएबल एक्सेलरेशन भी कह सकते हैं. नॉन यूनिफॉर्म एक्सेलरेशन is also called variable acceleration. लिख लो दोनों definition. Then we will do some numerical work. Okay, so we are going to solve some question based on this formulas. In our physics, numerical problems are very, very important, my dear children. Write down question. Suppose you walk, write down question. Suppose you walk in a room. लिख लो, suppose you walk in a room of length 9 meter. Suppose you walk in a room like this. Suppose you walk in a room in a length 9 meter with a velocity of 1.5 kilometer per hour. 1.5 kilometer per hour. You are walking in a room of length 9 meter with a velocity 1.5 kilometer per hour. Express this velocity in meter per second. Express this velocity in meter per second and find the time you will take. Find the time you will take to move across a room. Find the time you take to move across a room. This is our problem. Dear children, I told you earlier, what are the things given to us? First write down here in the left hand side. What are the things given here? Read the question again. What is the length of room? S is equal to 9 meter. Velocity is 1.5 kilometer per hour. One thing you remember, if you want to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second, 1 by 1.5 hour is 3 by 2. किलोमीटर का मतलब 1000 मीटर. In an hour 3600 सेकेंड. या तो आप ये करें या 3 by 2 को डायरेक्ट मल्टीप्लाई कर दें 5 by 18 से. इसको जब आप सॉल्व करोगे तो 5 by 18 आएगा. So either you directly multiply it by 5 by 18 or do this 1000 by 3600 और सॉल्व करिए. इसको कितना आ रहा बताइए मेरे को. सॉल्व इट. 15 by 36 आ गया. How much you are getting? Divide it and give the answer immediately. देखता हूं कौन सबसे पहले करता है. प्रिंस, प्रियंका, प्रियांशु, ऋतुराज, रुद्र, साक्षी एंड युक्ति.
So 0.41.
Yes.
0.417 meter per second.
0.41 meter per second. So this is in meter per second. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन सी. इसी में देखिए आप क्या पूछ रहे हैं. टाइम. आई नो द फॉर्मूला ऑफ वेलोसिटी. व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ वेलोसिटी?
Velocity is equals to displacement upon time.
Very good. Velocity is equal to displacement upon time. I want to find out t. That is s by v. That is the formula here. S 9 मीटर. वेलोसिटी हमने निकाल ली अभी 0.41. सॉल्व इट अगेन. सॉल्व इट. हाउ मच यू आर गेटिंग? 9 divided by 0.41.
So 20.
Yes. 21 point something आ रहा होगा.
21.95.
21.95. सॉल्व कर देना. एग्जैक्ट क्या आ रहा है. सॉल्व इट. 21.9 आ रहा है, 6 आ रहा है, 7 आ रहा है. व्हाट इज दैट? Write one more question for you. Do it today. If it is any problem, then ask. In our next module, we will see graphical representation of motion. Write down question. A car travels 30 kilometer. A car travels 30 kilometer with a uniform speed. Car travels 30 kilometer with a uniform speed of 40 kilometer per hour. Of 40 kilometer per hour. 40 किलोमीटर पर आवर इस स्पीड से कार चल रही है. एंड द नेक्स्ट 30 किलोमीटर 20 किलोमीटर पर आवर से चल रही है. व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग, फर्स्ट 30 किलोमीटर 40 किलोमीटर पर आवर से चल रही है. नेक्स्ट 30 किलोमीटर 20 किलोमीटर पर आवर से चल रही है. Find its average speed. Find its average speed. Okay? So do it. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. If it is any problem, then ask. If it is any problem, then ask. Okay?